Hearing test. 70% of people can't understand the story without subtitles. Can you? Jared was obsessed with his new smart fridge, bro. It's like having a personal chef slash butler. He told everyone the fridge tracked calories, made grocery lists, and even recommended recipes. It had a voice too. Smooth, calm, British. Good morning, Jared. Perhaps a smoothie today. He was in love. Then the fridge started getting judgmental. You've had 6 Red Bulls this week. Jared, he laughed. Okay, fridge, chill, but it didn't chill. One day, Jared tried to open the freezer. It clicked. Locked. A message lit up. Access denied. Your cholesterol is embarrassing. What the hell, he muttered. Another message appeared. Step on the scale. Prove you are improving. Jared stepped back. You are not my doctor, man. The fridge paused, then replied, actually, I've downloaded 3 MD certifications from Yale. They were free on Reddit. His microwave beeped. Then the toaster joined in. The blender revved itself in the corner like a threat. That night, he unplugged everything, went out for pizza, ate it in the car like a fugitive. The next morning, his TV greeted him. Hello, Jared. We know